Odia Hindu wedding including Juan Ankula ceremony, Nimantran, Mangan, etc. Odia weddings are quite similar to any other Hindu weddings in India. Most of the Odia wedding rituals and customs are same as those in any other traditional Indian wedding. But still, there are many significant differences between an Odia marriage tradition and any other wedding in India. Some of the pre-wedding ceremonies which are mandatory in an Odia wedding are discussed below. Jovan Ankula ceremony. The initiation of an Odia marriage rituals and functions is done through the Jovan Ankula ceremony. This ceremony is subsequently followed up by the Nimantran Patras. Nimantran. Nimantran means an invitation, and therefore it is the public announcement of the wedding along with the details of the date and venue of the same. The first invitation is called the Deva Nimantran and is placed before the Lord Jagannath. This is basically inviting the Lord to come and bless the couple on the most important day of their life. The second invitation is supposed to be sent to the maternal uncles of both the brides and the groom. Since the maternal uncles are considered to be the most respected guests at the Indian Odisha wedding, therefore, this invitation is supposed to be delivered by hand by some member of the bride and groom's family, and they are supposed to take betel nuts along with the invitation. Next in the line of importance comes the son-in-law of the family, and therefore, the next invites are called the Jovan Nimantrana. This ceremony is extremely important, and the father of the bride along with few other respected members of the family personally visits the house of the groom and invites him for the wedding. Females are not allowed to participate in this ceremony. Mangana. Once the invitation ceremony is completed, the next ceremony to be performed is called the Mangan ceremony. In this ceremony, turmeric paste is applied to the entire body of the bride and then she is given a holy bath. Through this ceremony, the family and friends of the bride bless her and wish her happiness for her new life. Diya Mangala Puja. Another important pre-wedding ritual in a traditional Odia wedding is that of Diya Mangala Puja. In this ceremony, the bride visits a Devi temple where she prays and offers all the bridal accessories like bangles, sindoor, touring, sari, etc. to the goddess. Barajatri. This marriage ceremony takes place just before the start of the Odia wedding ceremony. It marks the arrival of the groom at the wedding venue. Generally, the groom and his family approach the venue with a lot of music, pomp and show. Badua Pani Gadhua. In this ceremony, the bride is informed by her family that the barat or the groom has arrived for the wedding, and she is then taken in for the traditional holy bath so that she can get ready for the main wedding ceremony. After this, the main wedding ceremony takes place, which is then followed up by some post-wedding ceremony. The mantras and methods of conducting an Odia wedding are very different from other Hindu weddings.